This is the solution video for section 7.2, problem number 26. All right, so in this one, let's see, the instructions say express as one integral. All right, so we need to take a look at these. All right, so first thing we realize is that we've got this integral minus this integral, and I realize that the -6 is the lower limit on both. So I'm going to rewrite this as the integral from -6 to 5 of f of x dx minus, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip the limits to go from, instead of -6 to 2, now I'm going to go from 2 to -6. Now I understand that that's kind of out of order, but now I have the -6's on the diagonal, all right? And so that means that I can combine these two as long as they're added together, which they are. I can say that this is the integral from -6 to 5 of f of x plus the integral from 2 to -6, and since the -6's are on the same, we can write that this is the integral from 2 to 5 of f of x dx, all right? So that's one way to do it. All right, now another way is for people to kind of think, all right, well, if I had a graph, right? So here's -6, here's 5, all right? And then obviously 2 is somewhere in here. Now, if I took the entire integral from -6 to 5 and I subtracted off the value from -6 to 2, then doesn't it make sense that I get the integral from 2 to 5, right? If I took the whole area and I subtracted off this area, isn't it true that I would be left with that area on the right, which is the integral from 2 to 5? So that's just another way to think about it, but either way, I get that value.